Native Clone 23 here. I'm going to be doing a blaster box of 2015 Topps Chrome. 7 packs per box, 4 cards per pack, 1 exclusive rookie relic card. So let's get into it. Hey. Here's the relic. Save that for last. Here's what the hate looks like. Three, four, five, six, seven. George Bell, Manuel Sanders, blue border, numbered out of 199. Wow. Ben Roethlisberger and P.J. Williams. C.J. Spiller, Sammy Watkins, Eric Decker, X-Fractor, Kevin White rookie card. Nice, I wanted that. And a code card. Carlos Hyde, green border of Patrick Willis. That's cool. Kurt Warner refractor. That's cool. And Nate Orchard. Lamar Miller, green border card of Trey Mason. David Cobb, super rookie. And Justin Hardy. Nick Foles, Davion Clowney, Darrelle Revis, and Lyle Collins. Peyton Manning, Julio Jones, Andy Dalton X-Fractor, and Michael Bennett rookie. Last pack. Landon Collins, Mark Ingram, RG3, and Sean Mannion. Nice. Old school. Here's our relic card. I think it's gonna be Leonard Williams for the Jets. It is Sammy Coates for the Steelers. River Patch rookie. Here's my other one I pulled. Thanks for watching.